Hey, Joe here from Boulet's Garage. So what's one of the most important things that should be done after a brake job is done? I'm going to tell you about it next. Okay, what I like to get in the habit of doing after I do a brake job is I have a thermal imager, and it's pretty cool here. Now this is the brake rotor. See how it's red? It's measuring the temperature of the brake rotor after the road test. Now I'm going to go over to the other side. This side's at 117. This side is at 118. Now that's good. What's important about measuring the temperature of the brakes after a brake job's done? Well, this way the mechanic will find out that each of the brake rotors are getting at the almost identical temperature. If one was much higher than the other, you would suspect that a caliper is locking up and it should be replaced possibly. This avoids comebacks on brake jobs and inconvenience for the customer. Anyway, so I thought this little video might help you. Until next time, like and subscribe, and if your brakes start to feel spongy, get them looked at because they're nothing to mess around with. Drive safely.